In this video, I'll show you how to turn emergency alerts on or off on iPhone. Firstly, locate the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen and tap on it. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Within the Notifications menu, scroll all the way to the bottom. You will see a section labeled as Government Alerts. Under Government Alerts, you will see various options like Amber Alerts, Emergency Alerts, and Public Safety Alerts. Toggle the switches next to each option to turn them on or off based on your preference. If you enable these options, you'll receive important notifications about severe weather, safety emergencies, and another critical news that can help you stay safe and informed. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your iPhone's emergency alerts and ensure you receive only the notifications that matter the most. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.